I bet you can't guess where I've been. If you want to know where Miss V has been shopping, stay tuned. This is Miss V. It's one of them kind of days, no makeup, no nothing. I'm just relaxing. So I wanted to stop by here and show you some items that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. Yes, the Dollar Tree, my favorite, one of my favorite stores. I got a few new items, but most of them are just staple items, but I still want to share them with you because it may be something that may be useful to you. And if this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I am Miss V. And if my channel is focused on anything that focuses on saving you money, very inspirational. I'm positive on this channel. You see my shirt says good vibes. Good vibes. That's what we have here over here on this channel. So anything that relates to helping you to save money, this is your channel. If there's something you're interested in, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button at the bottom of the screen, and also give me a big thumbs up and share this video with your family and friends. So without further ado, let's get started, because y'all didn't come to hear me talk. Y'all came to see what I got at the Dollar Tree. So let's get started. Purchase at the Dollar Tree. Of course, you know Miss V, I'm going to be doing a lot of challenges and do-it-yourself projects. So a lot of these are for DIYs. So you'll hear me say DIY coming soon often in this video. First thing I picked up, you all, look at this. Is this cute? Is this not cute? That is cute. I've never seen this at the Dollar Tree. So I really like it because I like the bicycle. So I picked up this sign. It has the metal stick. Of course, you can take that stick off if you wanted to. And I purchased the this wooden leaf form. DIY coming soon. And of course, the normal, their little foam pumpkins. I got 3 of these, part of a DIY. And I picked up this little cute little pumpkin. I'm doing the traditional colors. If you hadn't figured that out yet, Miss V gonna do the traditional colors this year. I got these 2 fall foliage garlands. I got 2 of them for what I want them for. I needed them to be a little thicker, so that's why I got 2. Well, I already picked up the farm fresh, the apples, locally grown apples, and this time I got the hand-picked pumpkins. So now I have both of the signs. Picked up these white cotton, 100% cotton dishcloths. This is new. I hadn't seen this before. Ajax has a multi-purpose cleaner. I'm going to try it out. It looks like it's kind of thin, but anyway, I'm going to try it out. I'll give a review on it. I'm always looking for cleaning items. Just picked up some red cups. And I got a 14 count pack of these Guess napkins with the leaves on it. DIY coming soon with this. Got these felt stickers. I'm going to decorate my badge holders with these. And I just got some water. Then spectacular. And guess what? I found some items on clearance. Because if I can get something cheaper than $1, I will. This little bag, little silver bag, it was 25 cents on clearance rack. These were clearanced. I guess because the box is open. But it has 20 bags in it, and they were 50 cents. These are the, are these the little small bags? No, these the regular size sandwich bags by Sure Fresh. These were 50 cents by Glad. And there are the 12 bags of the quart size zipper bags. Thought that was great for 50 cents. I don't mind that they're open. This bag, plastic bags. Now I can see if it was some food or something. And these were 50 cents also. This is the snack bags, 22 count. Another Sure Fresh. These are the 1 cup. Oh, I've been wanting these. These, you know, you can measure, like if you're doing the meal prep. So I thought that was great for 50 cents. And I found this color pumpkin. It's like a darker mustard color. And then I got the burlap pumpkin. And these are the ribbon. I got another ribbon. Let me get it. Hold on. Got the pumpkin ribbon. And this is 9-foot roll pumpkin. And then I got this other pumpkin, but it's glitter pumpkins. So I got these two. There's my other foam pumpkin. Guys, y'all know I've been raving about these makeup removal wipes. I gave my sister that has a channel that loves makeup. She said they were just okay for her, but I love them because they're nice and thick to me. So I really love these. So I purchased 2 more packs of these Sassy Chic 25 cleansing towelettes. And as much as I love Dollar Tree, I will not be purchasing their socks anymore because my socks always tend to thin out at the toe like within a month's time. So I will not be purchasing the socks anymore. But I have had a good experience with the low cut socks. So I purchased me another pack of these. These only has 2 in it. Last time I purchased them, they had 3 in them. See, these are a little thicker. So I hadn't been having any trouble out of these. So I purchased me 1 pack of those. And I got my grandbaby son. And look at this cute little sign. Say ring for a smile. Ring for a smile. Anything inspirational. So this gonna go up on my shelf up there. Since I do have a little teal in here, I just decided I'd get it. So I'm gonna ring the bell for a smile. They had one ring for, they had like 4 other things, but I wanted the one ring for a smile because I'm all about positivity. So I got that. So look at this cute vase I found. Look at the shape of it. I haven't seen this at the Dollar Tree. Is that not cute? Sort of like a hurricane. So I also purchased this glass. And so what I'm going to do is put these together and create me a centerpiece. A beautiful centerpiece for fall. So that's what I plan to do with this. Stay tuned. You know, DIY coming soon. For that, so look at the shape of this vase again. Let me pull it back up. And let me see how tall it is for you. Get my tape measure. So it is, what is that? Almost 8 inches tall. It's not bad for $1. And I'm almost finished. This is a huge haul here. I got some wet wipes. I like to keep these in my purse. And I got my Scott paper towels. And I got some Colgate. And Karen Deneen, I picked up these halogen energy saving bulbs. She was raving about these LED lights. So I picked them up. I had been seeing them, but I was like, And when she did a video and I saw the difference in the lighting in her guest bedroom, I was like, okay, I'm going to try it out. So I'm going to try this out. Stay to the end of the video and I'm going to show you what I'm going to use these for. And I hope it works. If it works, thank you, Karen, in advance. Ooh, they just fell on the floor. I'm going to leave them on the floor, y'all. And I got these 5-count jack-o'-lantern wood pieces. DIY coming soon. And I picked up some more wipes. 2 packs of these. And a clear plate. This is just a clear plate that I'm going to be decorating. I usually have everything out. I hate this sound on the camera. Oh, this one, I did the white plate. Oh, yeah, I did the white plate, not the clear plate. And last but not least, I got these placemats. The pumpkin placemats. And that's it. So before I end the video and show you what I'm going to do with the light bulbs at the end, I'm going to go ahead and let you know Miss V is a Dollar Tree affiliate. Yay! I joined the program back in May, but I'm just now getting around to creating my unique link. I'll have it linked in the description box. So if you go on www.dollartree.com through my link and just order anything, I will receive a commission. So that money is going to go back into the channel. As I start earning more and more money, you will see more and more changes, more quality videos. Of course, I feel like it's quality now, but they're going to get better and better. So that's where I'm putting all my energy into, making more quality videos, because as I stated earlier, excuse me, I plan to do this full time. If not before I retire, after I retire. But it's just whatever God says, but that's what I plan to do. So we'll see what he says in the future. So that's it. So as stated earlier, stay tuned so you can see what I do with the LED lights. And this is Miss V. I'm always show you love. I have with this love. I'm just gonna give me a little heart. Show you love. That's a funny looking heart. That's a broken heart, ain't it? Show you love, and I'm always help you save some money. That's a $. Have a good day. Go out and do something. Let's do something nice for yourself. If you plan to do something nice for yourself, let me know in the comment section what it is. What I'm gonna do for myself is relax. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna relax and just get some rest. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get more sleep. So tell me in the comment section what you plan to do this next week for yourself. Have a nice day. And let me show you the light bulb. I'm gonna see if these LED lights will work in here. Just an idea I came up with. Okay, so this is the light bulb that it uses, and these light bulbs are expensive. For like 2 of them, it's like $25. So you know Miss V, if she can save money any kind of way, she will. But if I have to, I still can order some. So this is the bulb. So I'm gonna try it with the LED light. Okay, this with the LED light, y'all. I may have stumbled upon some. I may be saving some money. Thank you, Karen Deneen. Woo! Y'all know this right up my alley. So I am going to record a clip right here and see if we can tell the difference. OM gosh. I'm not even going to say God. OMG. Look at this, y'all. This is the Dollar Tree, baby. Dollar Tree halogen energy saving bulb that I got in my light box. Let's just take a moment. Thank you, Karen. I just came up with this idea a few minutes ago. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Look the same to me. What y'all think? So I'm going to take a picture with the LED light and with the regular light and see if y'all can tell the difference. It looks the same to me. I mean, I can't really tell the difference, baby. I'm finna be like you, Karen. I'm finna go back and get 35. She got 30. I'm finna get about 60. I'm finna clear the shelf, baby. Clear the shelf. I'd rather do that than to pay $25 for 2 of those. I appreciate you sending it to me, Karen, but you know I'm always looking to save some money, baby. Looking to save some money. That extra money can go towards another Dollar Tree trip. I'm just saying, y'all. I am happy. I am so glad I came up with this idea. Thank you, Holy Spirit. Yes. It looked the same to me, y'all. So I have stumbled upon something. I have stumbled upon something. I'm going to be using this in my photo, in my little light box. I'm so happy, 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 happy. Yay! Thank you, Karen. Yay! Y'all. Okay, remember I said I was going to do something good for myself. I was going to get some rest, but baby, this light in this light box, that's what Miss V doing for herself. Saving some money. So thank you. Shout out to Karen Deneen. I'm going to link her channel in the description box. Y'all go over there and tell her Miss V said, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Yes. I'm excited. When you be $25 for 2 or $1 for 1. Let's do the math. As long as you get the same results, it don't matter. Now, these, of course, this LED light might not last as long as the other light, but who cares? Who cares? When you can save $20-something. I'm just dumbfounded. I am. Okay. That's the end of this video. And I am excited.